Ever pondered about the top attractions in Montreal, the heart of French Canada? Here's a countdown of the 10 most captivating sites in this vibrant city, each with its own unique charm and story. Starting off at number 10, we have the Montreal Biodome. With its 4 distinct ecosystems, it's a place where the desert meets the rainforest, and the polar regions are just a step away from the Laurentian forest. A visit here is like embarking on a global adventure without ever leaving Montreal. At number 9, we find ourselves at the Montreal Botanical Garden. One of the world's largest, it's a lush paradise with over 22,000 plant species and cultivars, 10 exhibition greenhouses, and thematic gardens. It's a testament to the beauty and diversity of the plant kingdom. Coming in at number 8, we have the Montreal Museum of Fine Arts. It's not just an art museum, it's a celebration of creativity in all its forms. From ancient artifacts to contemporary installations, it's a place where art comes alive and tells stories that span across different cultures and epochs. At lucky number 7, we have the Notre Dame Basilica. With its stunning stained glass, intricate woodwork, and breathtaking architecture, it's a masterpiece of Gothic revival style that leaves every visitor in awe. It's a place where history, art, and spirituality intertwine. At number 6, we find the Olympic Stadium. Built for the 1976 Summer Olympics, it's a testament to Montreal's rich sports history and architectural innovation. The stadium's unique design and the towering inclined tower make it an iconic part of Montreal's skyline. Moving on to number 5, we have Mount Royal Park. Designed by the same man who brought us New York's Central Park, it's a green oasis in the heart of the city. Whether it's hiking, picnicking, or simply enjoying the panoramic views of the city, it's a place where nature and city life coexist. At number 4, we dive into the Montreal Science Centre. With its interactive exhibits and immersive IMAX theatre, it's a place where science is not just learned, but experienced. It's a playground for the curious minds, regardless of age. Now, the top 3. At number 3, we have the Old Montreal. With its cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and charming boutiques, it's a place where the old world meets the new. It's like stepping back in time, but with all the amenities of the 21st century. Coming in at number 2, we have the Underground City. It's not just a shopping center, it's a subterranean network of boutiques, restaurants, and theaters that stretches over 33 kilometers. It's a place where Montreal's vibrant culture thrives beneath the surface. And finally, at number 1, we have the Montreal International Jazz Festival. As the world's largest jazz festival, it's a celebration of music that brings together artists and fans from around the globe. For 10 days each summer, Montreal becomes the jazz capital of the world. So there you have it. From the lush landscapes of the Botanical Garden to the rhythmic beats of the Jazz Festival, Montreal is a city of endless discoveries. Each attraction tells a story of Montreal's rich history, diverse culture, and vibrant spirit. Whether it's the first visit or the 100th, there's always something new to explore, to learn, and to fall in love with in Montreal.